Hello, and welcome back to Jollyroger Hobbies. Today we're going to do a review on the Master Airbrush brand lighted portable hobby airbrush spray booth. Now, I got this from Amazon, and I paid the extra $10 to have the LED lighting. Now, the LED lighting is an add-on, when you choose it on Amazon, you either choose the non-lighted version or the lighted version. The only difference is the lighted version comes with 3 LEDs that plug in on the side. And this is about $100, but it's well worth the price. I was amazed by it. So I want to show you some of the details on it, how quickly it's set up. When you get it, these are all in different sections so you can put them together. The only tool I needed was a flathead screwdriver to screw on this clamp. Other than that, you do not need any tools to set this up or tear it down. This is an optional piece. It comes with it, but an optional piece if you want to direct your exhaust outside. This can be used inside without any problems. There's filters in it, which I will show you. So you can use it inside, but if you want to direct the air outside so you get rid of those fumes, then this is a good thing to have. It's a thin exhaust, so you can easily put it in a window and close the window. Like I have a side window, so it's up and down, or you can have the top that closes right on top of it. So you've only got a little gash. It's great in the winter time when you want to exhaust the fumes out. You don't want to spray paint outside, and you want to exhaust the fumes out, but you don't want all that cold air coming in. Now this is for airbrushing, but as I'm going to show you, it will work for rattle cans as well. So this is plastic, and it will extend the direction, say, out to 6 feet. I haven't measured it, I'll be honest, but the cool thing is you can direct it in any configuration you need to outfit any window close by. And then it folds up like that to put away. Next, we have the actual thing. Now this is portable spray booth. And here's why. This is it folded up. Now I'm going to turn it around. This piece came with it. That's to attach to your hose. You don't need it on if you're not using the hose. There's a fan back here, the exhaust. When you get this just goes on and then turns and locks on. It was a pain in the butt, so I'm not taking it off. I just put it away just like this. So closed up, we're going to give some quick dimensions. It's 6 inches in depth, not counting the exhaust piece. You're looking at just about 16.5 inches long by 8 inches tall. But this is the part I'm going to show you that makes it worthwhile as a spray booth. So to unfold this, just grab that bottom piece here. This flips up, this flips out. There's some paper towels in here because I stored them. It's where I used them last. Oh, and real quick, in case you guys ask, this is just a wooden TV tray that I got from Walmart for, I think it was $9. I could have gone with the cheap metal one, but I'm going to put my spray booth on it, so might as well spend the extra money for go with the wood one. I wanted this to be completely portable, so that's why I went with a TV tray I could fold up at any time. So anyways, this lifts up, this folds out, pull that out, set this further back, and then these pieces just unfold. That folds in like that. Same on this side. If I can find the hole. Just like that. And there's your spray booth. Now, I'm going to pull these paper towels out here. It does not come with paper towels. And if you're wondering, these are just, this are 2 strips of painter's tape that I've put down that if I wanted to seal it up, I can. But it comes with a Lazy Susan, which is really neat. Now these are the LED lights that I paid the $10 extra for. And I'll show you how they work in a minute. I also forgot one thing. First thing you do is you pull out your power cord. And it plugs in up here. Now, I'm not going to be plugging in because I do not have a plug near me at this point in time. But you're going to see in the video how well it works. So these LED lights, they have plug-ins right up here. And they just plug in and slide up on top like that. And you push them in. Now, the cool thing is, these have little tabs for your thumb to push it in. So you just push on those, push them in place. And then this, your top LEDs, just plug in right here at the top of your side ones. Which, that didn't exactly go as planned, now did it? I'm making a pain in the butt, I promise. It's not that bad. So, just like that. Your lights come on when you turn your switch on up here. Lazy Susan for painting. Then it has this filter. And there's 2 filters back here before you get to your screen and your exhaust fan. Now, it says when using the exhaust tube to pull one of these filters out. I'm assuming because this is the course, you pull this filter out. Now, I want it to filter a little bit more, so I didn't pull it out. But that's your whole spray booth. Now, your whole spray painting area, to putting models full depth, is 15 inches from the back of this filter to here. Your height on the inside is 12 inches from inside to the top of this light. And of course your width is going to stay the same at about 16 and a half inches. That's why it goes like that. And real easy to use. Real easy to set up, no tools. Like I said, plug it in, you turn it on. These LED lights come on and they light up the whole thing. And in the video, you're going to see what I'm talking about and how well it lights it up. I was very impressed. Gives you lots of area to spray paint rattle can or airbrush. And I spray painted it with my bird of prey. And it sucked out with the rattle can. It sucked everything out, even the fumes. And I'm sitting in a small room. Any of you who've spray painted before know what I'm talking about. This thing was amazing, and I'm thoroughly impressed. And then Takedown is exactly the same. Pull your LED lights out. And they pretty much just go right in here. Just push them in. Lazy Susan just folds up right in there, nice and easy. Under, and this tucks and locks under. And you fold up your power cord. It's a nice big opening. Lock it up and you're done. I very well recommend it to anybody spray painting or airbrushing, especially up north or northeast during the winter time. Most people put models away. If you don't have a garage or an area where you can paint, the only thing you have at your house, this is a great item. I thoroughly recommend it. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.